Hello again and welcome to HEJJ4. Okay, today we're talking about how to find out the price of HEJJ4 token. So HEJJ is trading right now on Pancake and dodox.io. Okay, let's find out the price. So I'll give you the steps and I will ask you after that to freeze the image and follow those steps. First, go on Pancakeswap.finance, alright, click on trade, alright, click on exchange, okay, it's working, my internet is a bit slow, but it will open up the exchange thing and have a look. It looks like this. They're asking you either you connect or not, but my advice is to connect your wallet, okay, the MetaMask or Trust wallet, connect it and find out here what's all about. And then in here, double check and let's find out the price. And I'll ask you to do this. It's BUSD, all right, so it's Binance US dollar. Okay, and the second thing in here, we go to select a token and we want to put in here the address of our HEJJ token. So we go on hedge4.ai, okay, we go scroll down a little bit, find out here because the contract number is here, copy it, okay, copy and plug it in here, paste it, it will come up in a few seconds, they will find it out. Alright, it says add, okay, I added in here and then I click on it, hedge, alright, and have a look. I click in here and I put, as an example, 1 million hedge token. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here it's 1 million hedge token. I want to find out what's the price and how much they will ask. The system is calculating and it should pop up in a few seconds. This way you find out that 1 million token, you can buy them with US dollar about 52.82 dollars. It changes because it's fluctuating. Again, with $52 you can purchase 1 million hedge. But what I'm telling you, we are working very hard to bring yield farming and staking and to improve the value of our token. So my advice to you is simple. If you have a little bit of BNB or Ethereum or anything, any of these tokens in here, Cardano or Atom, AutoFarm, whatever, BFI, BIF5, BLK, anything that you have and you feel like purchasing a little bit of hedge, it's worth it because we do have a huge potential. The price is very low. We're not gonna abandon this project. We're gonna work hard and hire more people and we'll make a lot of profits. We will share the profits with you. We'll give you huge dividends. You will see. So for $53 to buy 1 million tokens, it's worth it. Think about invest in us. You're gonna like it. So thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day. One more thing, double check here. We gave away 4,000 for 1, 2, 3, 4,000 hedge. Okay, we gave on airdrops. On the airdrop campaign, we gave away 4,000 to about 11,000 people. Okay, so remember, these 4,000 are worth today just 20 cents. but in the future, we're thinking that they will go huge time up. All right, so for now, hold on to your balances in HEJJ4.ai on that rapid evolution. Hold it in there. Do not transfer them because it's not worth it to transfer in your wallet 20 cents. So wait for it. Again, I'm gonna place these here. Okay, I'll ask you kindly when you get to these are the steps that you have to do to check the price. Okay, so hold here, freeze the image, know these steps, do them, and if you feel like, don't forget to buy some of the tokens. They are worth it. Thanks again and have a profitable day.